toi un bit. Yeah, stay back. Don't breathe, okay? Don't breathe very slow. Okay, see how they disappear? You see how they just went down? They all went down.
Mama?
We're gonna move one frame.
Ah.
We already got some bees on one. Give us some room where we can work with the other frames. Now squish it. Stay back, Lulu. Stay back. Here's the cage. So we got a bee in there. I'm gonna let her out. Get up. Come on. Out there. There she goes. So that's what we build. And now we're going to inspect the other. Back up a bit, okay?
Attention. Regarde s'il y a des abeilles dessus.
Oh boy, this is heavy. This is real heavy. Look at that. Oh, there they are. There's the eggs.
Tu vas peut-être pogner la reine maintenant.
Ça, c'est des œufs?
Yeah.
Des
See
petits
that?
boules?
Yeah. Those are eggs.
Ah ouais.
Come see the eggs over here. Look at that. See those mounds?
Ok, ah, je vais zoomer.
Come over here. Come over here, Lilo. On the other side. See right there, those are eggs.
Okay.
You see there's honey everywhere and there's also eggs. So this is good.
Mm-hmm.
This is real good. Very much slow. Nice and straight. No, 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 no.